Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Spoiled veggies at horticulture outlets. Customers and outlet owners suffer while traders make merry. Corporation says not our fault. Congress criticizes government for challenging JMFC's order. Sessions Court stays order allowing search of Defence Minister's residence to trace Mickey. Won't agitate if government rehabilitates Baina slum dwellers, says Congress. BJP says rehabilitation only if court orders, else no. National Centre for Disease Control to submit report on monkey disease to its headquarters first. Later inputs to Goa government on tackling epidemic. Three consultants finalized for National Games related projects. Work to officially begin in second week of May. Goa Olympic Association awaits roadmap on team preparation. And now the news in detail. The Horticulture Corporation outlets selling daily essentials like fruits and vegetables are supplying low-grade stocks. Vendors are fed up with the authorities not taking action on the supplies in spite of repetitive complaints. When Prudent tried to capture their agony through an undisclosed chat, they alleged a chain of corruption going right up to the chairman of the corporation. Goans are suffering because of the nexus. A Prudent exclusive.
Goa Government's Horticulture Corporation is facing acute quality and credibility crisis. The consumers and the vendors too are fed up with the poor quality of vegetable and fruit stock, leading to poor response to the state-run outlets. The outlets are expected to supply quality vegetables at subsidized rates. The scheme is meant for stabilizing the market prices and controlling the inflation through its outlets. It is expected that Goa government through its State Horticulture Corporation shop provides citizen vegetables at cheaper rate than the market prices. But it's a bitter truth that quality is hitting new lows day by day and the system of checks and control has collapsed for reasons well known to the corporation authorities, vendors and the wholesalers. Consumers still have very little options left. Goikas are at the receiving end.
भाजी खराब असता म्हणजे कुसलेली असते तो टोमॅटो बटाटे
कोबी आसा तो फ्लावर आसा तो भितरसून मागीर तांबडो कसो येता तामसो आनी फाटल्यान परतून पळयत जाल्यार ताका बारीकशी कीड आसता कॅबेजूय तसोच आसता
ती भाजी लोकांक जाय न्हू हेतून आमकां मेळटा भाजी ती फ्रेश भाजी आसपाक जाय कमी रेटीन आसपाक जाय
बटाटे आणि ते भेंडी हे सगळे कुजलेले आसा पण यांचे मिस्टेक ना जे सप्लाय करता पळय त्यांचे मिस्टेक आसा की
The story doesn't get over with armed consumer. Shopkeepers and vendors face irk and resentment of the consumers for no fault of theirs.
कस्टमर म्हणटा कसलो माल घालता आमी पयशे दिना काय म्हणटा कितें घालता काय म्हणटा तुमकां हे घालून आमी काम मार्केटान 2 रुपया ज्यादा दिले सगळं बरें मेळटा म्हणटा ती आनी तुमचे खायना जाल्यार घालून दिसता टोमॅटो सामकी कित्याची.
For the shopkeepers running the outlets, the business isn't worth any more.
4 दिसांक टोमॅटो इतली पुस्ती एक 5-6 किलो आहे.
बटाट कांदे भयंकर पिकतात 50 किलो घेतो 10 किलो 5 किलो कांदे बटाट किलो जातात
सगळेच पिठे असता कांदे पिठे असता कुसलेले असता बटाट चिरलेले असता टोमॅटो सारखे ना कुसलेले असता.
The system of checks and control has collapsed.
एक त्याची कोण घेता कंप्लेंट तेव्हा सगळं जाते वाईन गावठी वाईन बरी जाल्यार कोण व्हरना न्हू.
एकूच आयटम एवरी टायम कंप्लेनी करतले
कांदे सामके 2 दिसांक म्हाका आनी हय आमी आतां कांदे हाडले अशे.
Vendors suspect a nexus and chain of corruption with the higher-ups as there is no action despite several complaints, reminders and follow-ups. Vendors feel helpless with the monopoly of contractors in the vegetable supply chain. The low-grade stocks are being forcibly pushed through the corporation outlets despite vendors questioning the quality. The nexus allegedly points at the chairman.
ते म्हणटा कितें जाणा तो आपूण कितें सांगून तुमी जाता तें करा म्हणटा पयलीं आमकां कशें म्हणपाक ना सप्लायर हय.
Vendors suspect a nexus of money-making racket striving on daily needs of an ordinary goikar.
त्याच खरेदी करता 2 नंबरचा माल.
Hoteliers too seem to be lifting their share from the outlets, a blatant violation of the norms.
कोणतो No.
We question the chairman of Horticulture Corporation for his take on the alleged nexus.
आउटलेटवाल्याक जर कितें सांगपाचें आसत जाल्यार आमच्या सुपरवायझराक सांगूंक जाय आनी म्हजे कडेन हे आयज मेरेन कसलीच कंप्लेन येवंक ना. आमचे कडेन कंप्लेन येवपाक जाय न्हू. आमी रिएक्ट करपाक आमी एक्शन घेवपाक आमचे चॅक जे आसता आमी रुटीन चॅक आसता कॉर्पोरेशनाचे दार 24 वरां हेल्पलायन नंबर आहा सगळे आहा MDचो नंबर आहा आमचो नंबर आहा आमकां कोणूच कंप्लेन करिना. If they want to give good service to the public and they want to earn something, they are earning 20%. They are earning 20%. तांकां जर ते इतले जोडपाचें आहा इतले करपाचें नाजाल्यार सरळ सांगून म्हाजे कडेन खूब बाकीच्या आउटलेटाक लागून मागण्यो आहा 850 फॉर्मां पेंडींग आहा आमी बऱ्या मनशांक दिवं येता.
With the quality of vegetables, the check and control system in Horticulture Corporation too seems corroded and eroded due to the reasons well known to the authorities. Is the state staring at a human chara ghotala? Bureau Report, Prudent.
Law and order machinery has collapsed in the state. Congress has criticized the state government and police on the backdrop of Margao Additional Sessions Court staying JMFC court's order allowing search of Defence Minister's official residence in Delhi to trace Mickey. Meanwhile, Margao Sessions Court has adjourned hearing of criminal revision petition filed by the Goa government challenging the order of the Margao Judicial Magistrate First Class to Monday.
The first time in the history of the country possibly that such an order was passed, we could only opine that the judge possibly saw the seriousness of the case while passing the order.
So what is your comment on the act of the state government?
The act of the state government only shows that the state law and order machinery has collapsed.
No, further when they ask for the state,
What?
the state government asked for the state for
No. See, state government has gone to the appellate court. Court is bound to pass an order by appreciating the facts, circumstances and whatever material is on record. We are nobody to opine on what the courts can do and the court should do. But all I am telling you that a warrant being left unexecuted for 10 days is a fact that the people of the state should judge vis-a-vis the peculiar facts that exist in this case, because that points out to what kind of policing we have in the state.
Margao Sessions Court on Thursday adjourned to Monday in the criminal revision petition filed by the Goa government challenging the order of the Margao Judicial Magistrate First Class. Earlier on Wednesday, JMFC had issued a warrant to search for Mickey at the official residence of Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar at 10 Akbar Road in Delhi. Mickey Pacheco is also said to have moved a fresh application before the Supreme Court, seeking relief from surrender till hearing of his review petition. Mickey Pacheco, who is absconding, has to undergo a 6-month jail sentence imposed by the Bombay High Court at Goa for having in 2006 assaulted a electricity department junior engineer, Kapil Natekar. Chetan Gawas and Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Congress is ready to end Baina agitation if government assures to rehabilitate the slum dwellers whose hutments will be demolished. But BJP is not ready to assure anything. The party says they would think about rehabilitation only if High Court tells them else no. Both the warring factions came face to face for the first time in Prudence, the debate.
So where is the plan that you have drawn?
If they assure you to rehabilitate those people,
will you support the development plan?
If they assure to rehabilitate those people to ensure their livelihood,
You will support
there
the
would
plan.
have not been this agitation at all.
ओके जाधव बाब म्हाका एकच गजाल सांगा रिहॅबिलिटेशन तुम्ही करपाचो विचार करतले काय फक्त कायद्याकडे
So you bluff this.
हायवेच्या जे लोकांक जेंका घरा गेल्या तांकां सगळ्यांक घरा मेळ्या हायवेन जे गेल्या घरा मेळ्या काही लोकांनी घरा मेळोवन सुद्धा पैसे मेळोवन फ्लॅट मेळोवन सुद्धा ती रूम्स करून भाड्याक दिला आणि ते जे 85-95 जे दाखयता पळय ते काही लोक आसतले थंय ना म्हणना हांव पूण कांय काल परवा येयल्ले यासीन भटकळ थंय येयलो आनी भोंवन गेलो आनी थंय रावलो एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स हे तुमच्या चॅनलान दाखयला कोण कोण थंय येवन रावन गेलो खंयचे काल पयर आमी पुलिसां कडेन अपील केला स्ट्रेंजर रोल घ्या म्हणून 4 भाडे करू हांव थंय ओनर हांवें हेंका दिले तेंच्या कडेन तेंका दिले आनी तुमी येवन रावता ही परिस्थिती आज थंय आसा थंय सर्वे करपाची गरज आसा
भोवपी लोक गुंड किंवा मवाली किंवा अंडरवर्ल्ड हे सगळे कडेन आसता म्हणून ती जागा बदनाम नसता सगळेच लोक तातूंतले बदनाम नसता काही लोक हांव सांगता तुमकां हे जे पाडापाडी जाल्या हातूंत जेन्युइन लोकूय आसा इतलें जावं न्हय की काही जेन्युइन लोकांचेर जे खरेच गरजवंत आसा किंवा खरेच थंय खूब तेंपा पासून रावता त्या लोकांचेर अन्याय जावपाक जायना.
Development with a human face should be the mantra.
तुम्ही रिहॅबिलिटेशन आणि सिलेक्टिव्ह टार्गेटिंग
आम्ही करूंक ना सिलेक्टिव्ह करूंक ना आम्ही सांगता जे कायद्यान बसता फाल्यां कोर्टान
रिहॅबिलिटेशनाचे तुम्ही अश्युरन्स दिनात सध्या
कोर्टान सांगू न्ही
What is this?
कोर्टान सांगू
What is this?
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.